Hey, morning everyone. Like I mentioned yesterday, I was testing out the YouTube stream. I'm gonna try to put these pre-market streams up on the YouTube channel here, and I'll also start doing some live trading here, maybe in the morning session only. But we'll see how it goes. So obviously, elections day today is gonna be really key data for today. Main thing for today is obviously the elections. We're waiting on the volume, so definitely keep an eye on the volume for SPY if you're trading SPY. If you take a look at the top ticker tape I have, you can see a few tickers I've added there, which I am keeping on watch today. So you can see Coin and DJT are two main ones I'm looking at for today. So DJT obviously is moving pretty well in the pre-market. I would definitely trade commons on this instead of options. Options are super juiced up right now on the DJT, but essentially I do like the DJT for a break back over the weekly high, previous week high. We should put it at 100% on the option. Sorry, the commons itself. Alrighty, guys. So DGT is the main watch for today. I also got coin on watch. So obviously, crypto is going to make a pretty big move based on the elections. So we have Trump and Kamala. So obviously, you guys can expect some pretty big moves here, based on the winning here. Overall on crypto. So obviously, crypto. I'm talking about Bitcoin and coin, but overall on crypto, we should see a pretty big impact. Hey, morning, Vijaya. We're about to get our open here. Like I said, keep an eye on the SPY volume for today. It's going to be really key. And we also have Bitcoin getting pretty volatile here in the pre-market already. Hey, morning, Rick. Hey, morning, Rick.
Running into new week opening gap through it. I think we're running into those relative equal highs at 20,248 and
Hey,
a
morning,
half.
Rick.
Those, I think, pretty strong liquidity there. Running into new week opening gap. And then we have relative equal lows below us at 20,008 and a half.
Strong open for SPY here. Guys, this is the exact same chart we were talking about yesterday in the power hour or 2 to 4 p.m. session. We are talking about this falling wedge or flag. It was trying to break over it, but we had no volume, no momentum here in the power hour. It looks like we're starting to break over it now. So watch these two levels here. 57166 was that resistance we're looking at on SPY. If you're watching the stream, like I said, today I'm gonna have the stream played on YouTube stream right now. So there's flow coming in for NVIDIA. Looks like some NVIDIA puts are coming in here. 132, 1.5 million behind that. And we got some 2025 calls coming in. There's a lot more premium behind. Next week puts on Microsoft 4.7.5 strike. Sorry, calls here. 4.7.5 strike calls, paying 9.12. Looks like it's a $2.3 million order behind the 4.5 strike calls for next week, Microsoft. Looks like it's a $2.3 million order behind the 4.5 strike calls for next week, Microsoft. Looks like it's a $2.3 million order behind the 4.5 strike calls for next week, buddy. Microsoft. Nice trade.
Trading into a 15-minute rejection block.
Looks like it's a $2.3 million order behind the 4.5 strike calls for next week, buddy. Microsoft.
Guys, I'm
Nice trade.
trimming most of my Tesla calls here at 7.8. Just having runners
Trading
left.
into a 15-minute rejection block.
Yeah, that coin is moving. So we got that 3311 close on Netflix. So got the inside bar open today, really tight. Like I've been talking about this on the last week and watch this, and this week's as well. Really tight on the daily here. So watch this for a breakout this week. Hey, was that Joe?
Morning. What's up?
Hey, morning.
Hey,
Sorry, I had music on at the same time too. I was on the phone.
Oh, good.
What's up, Ricks? He's back.
Hey, oh, it's a Tuesday. I'm here on a Tuesday.
I'm just waiting on this R2Y. I'm still holding. It's going to fill the gap all the way back up. It should shoot up here in a second. Dude, RTY is so easy. You just hold. You don't do anything. It always goes to the same spot eventually. I mean, it's just easy money.
Isn't that like most stocks or most tickers?
Well, I mean,
Or-
NQ will destroy you before it gets there. RTY just kind of moves, and then it goes to the spot you know it's going to go. It just takes a while. I mean, it's just, because it's like I'm holding just one still right now, and I'm up like 3 of their points, which is because they have 10 ticks per point. It's just weird to explain, but yeah,
Nice.
it's going. My final target's 231.6. It's almost there.
NQ, I'm looking at the 20,000 to 48.5 level. Should go and take those out. And then begin the retracement.
Microsoft calls are moving from the flow.
Go, my DJT beauty. Go with the wind. Up $6 a share right now.
Nice.
Yep.
Did you pick up any more at the close yesterday?
Nah, I just had the ones I got already in the morning yesterday. Like I said, it's going to 70. You know what it does after that, it's going to be interesting. And all out of my RTY right here. Easy money. Honestly, I'm not even kidding. It's so, I mean, it doesn't move obviously as fast as NQ, but you don't even have to worry about it because it's going to go to the targets. It just, it does it every day, the same thing. And then it dumps later on or either pumps depending on what. You can just watch the flow kind of thing. It's easy. That's why I've been trying to watch it more.
IWM got a 131 on the daily right now for IWM.
A nice opening range for Sir Valley Gap.
What's
Thank you now.
interesting is all the IWM puts coming in. Like millions. They did 17 million in puts yesterday and already up to 2.7 million today.
Yeah.
Barely any calls. Somebody knows something. Yesterday, one of the big ones they put in, which I was watching for IWM, or I posted it. Where was it? Was the 11.6 215 puts. They're down almost 40% yesterday, but they were slamming the shit out of those yesterday morning.
Which ticker was that?
The IWM 11.6 215 puts. They're buying them at $1.98, and I know they're a lot less now. 6 215. I was watching it for most of the day because I had a feeling I can get it for a lot cheaper.
That flow over Qs, it's like puts are higher than calls right now,
Regression. Thought the zero line though.
huh? Oh, I see. Okay, gotcha.
Tesla calls flew away.
Tesla.
I'm just having only one runner, guys. Rest of the things I closed everything for 9.5. Just only one runner left.
Trying to short an RTY right here. Target is 2230 from 236. 2236.
Coin is approaching target here at the 192.45.
Order submitted.
These right
Order
here.
submitted.
Also jumping into those 215 puts I was just talking about for tomorrow at $1.14, guys. I just got filled for IWM.
Kind of looking like a Head and Shoulders on the daily too.
Mm-hmm. It's inverse right now, so these things should streak down a little bit. That's what I'm playing right now. But if it does break where I think the target's going, then yeah, these things are gonna just die, or the IWM just die.
A little over 15 minutes into the open here, we have less than 1 million volume still on SPY, seeing 656,000 here.
Yeah, 215 for tomorrow, Spence. This is what I got. Yeah, no problem, man. Alex.
The coin is rejecting right off that target. Overall, it is still looking pretty strong.
Yeah, we just took out those relative equal highs.
Yeah, the PLTR is moving, Spence. I saw some flow coming into that. It was 2025, but it's moving up already. Balls just came in. These are the weeklies, 55 strikes.
For what?
The PLTR.
Oh, PLTR. Okay.
Daily just
My shares.
50 now.
I like him some before that. Let's just go through exploration. It's all-time highs.
Some of the tickets from the last week, the last weekend watch list, they're just going sideways. FedEx taking a little bit of downside, 272.12. No entries confirmed yet. It hasn't broken over 70, 54. UPS, same thing, just kind of going sideways here.
Thinking Q's about to come back and retest 185.
Coins breaking high day here.
Okay, ES, the target is 5790. That is what I'm looking. Rix, what's your target?
For ES, let me see.
Yeah.
Let me see. I have not looked at ES today. $5793.25 is definitely the first one.
Yeah, 5792 is my target too.
5793.25, and the next one is 5803. 5803 58.75 and then 58.10.5. Let's just rely these on this. We're actually in a 15-minute buy model, so your first targets are definitely inside that 15-minute SIBI, or sorry, the daily SIBI, right? As a daily SIBI, within the daily SIBI itself.
Yeah, 342 is the target on NQ.
58.45.5 is like the volume imbalance for ES as well. So I'm just gonna share my 15-minute chart and the upside targets for ES.
Yeah, ES is 92 and 342 is the target for now on NQ.
I'm just gonna post.
Pump before election and dump tomorrow. Joe, get ready for dump.
On DJT or what?
No, not DJ.
Oh, I'm already in
That
IWM
won't get
puts
done.
for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm already in IWM puts for
You
tomorrow.
are an item. See, in spite whoever wins, there will be a dump tomorrow for sure. That's going to be there.
Yeah, I
Probably
grabbed them
there will
already.
be- Yeah. I think Tesla is getting bottomed out here. I don't think so. It will go down below 242 anymore. And if election results are positive, it's going to 320 soon.
What did you have at NQ?
20342 and then 362.
358 and 427. This is a longer time range, so let me find a more
Yeah.
smaller one. It's the 4 hour. Got like a lot of opening range gap on the upside for NQ to fill, so definitely. We just dug into that 4-hour SIBI. Took out Friday's high. Went back into first fair value gap.
But all are overextended now. There is no point in just doing longs now. We should have catched it at the open. Now there is no point in catching the longs and all those things. See, I yesterday I told QQQ 491 is the target. It's almost reaching there. 574 is the target. It is also hitting there. So there is no point in catching the longs now. It's always risky. And that too being with the election thing. Now anytime anything can happen. So it's better to just play only with minimal positions. Don't go huge. Just reduce the contract size. Whatever you guys play on every day, maybe 50% of it. Don't play huge today.
Yeah, we got huge gaps on the upside for Qs or NQ.
Yeah. Just go with 1 or 2 contracts. Micros means maybe 3 or 4. Don't go beyond that. I'm adding some BITO calls, BATO, Bitcoin ETF calls for next week. 20 call for 54 cents.
Oh, I just broke. Sorry, Nvidia just broke high day. SPY's putting an exhaustion on the 5 minute as it breaks high day. Because this FedEx setup is starting to make a comeback here. It's back over the 27212. I do like this daily close. So if you see a close above that level, I'll look for a swing with some time on it. Like if for a run up going into. Really strong move today.
I suppose the NQ one upside targets as well. Hit the -1.5. 317.25, and then we're looking to see if there's any willingness for us to go towards that opening range gap at 366. And then if you look at the targets, you have 379, 440, 502 with the next ones.
I don't think SPY is going to pull back below the 57166. We might see a shallow retracement here on the 5 back to the EMAs at some point after exhaustion. But until then, I don't entry for longs just on SPY. Could pull back to around 57280. That's where the EMAs are sitting right now.
Just waiting on RTY to finally do his pullback. Probably go all the way back down to 2240 shortly, guys.
DJT just broke 40.
What's that?
DJT just
DJT.
broke 40.
Push it, baby. You're in it too, right?
I picked up some commons yesterday, end of day.
Nice.
Pulled back a little.
This should be, I mean, honestly, I think we're going to get at least 100%.
Yeah, I'm seeing 60. The range is so tight on the daily. Like, it just needs to break last week's high. Should go 100%.
Yep.
Obviously, with the election, high risk.
Well, that's the great thing about comments too. We can close them tonight if we need to.
Yeah, exactly.
Hurry up and get option trading at night. That would help too, you know.
Be here at 2 a.m.
That's it. 3 a.m. after party. Oh, and a Tesla.
Oh, well, one of the good things that I actually
Oh, I got a call, guys. Sorry.
not super late for me.
Guys, I'm sorry. I got to run. I got to take care of some stuff from work. I'm not sure when I'm going to be back on. I got to run and meet my guys out in the cemetery. So I'll try to be back on a little bit later. I'll keep an eye on stuff on my phone.
Sounds good, man. We'll catch you later.
Later.
A bit of selling pressure came in on the SPX calls here. a bit of a pullback on SPY from that exhaustion, going towards that 572 area I talked about. Weekly contracts that came in on that PLTR flow, those are moving nice now. The weekly flow that came in on the PLTR contracts moving Alright guys, for the folks watching the YouTube stream, I did have it up for the pre-market. I did say I was going to keep it up for the opening session as well. Not really seeing much of a volume pickup on SPY. We're still just about at 5 million, almost an hour until nothing too crazy going on now. Coin and DJT are making the main moves. Those are two tickers we talked about in the pre-market today on here. So might be ending the stream right now. Let me know what you guys if I should keep running charts. Let me know what you guys want in the chat. I'll be on the Discord. I just will be ending on the YouTube. Guys, I'll end it for now. I'll put it back up maybe in the afternoon session if we see any nice moves or setups. But I will have it up for the pre-market tomorrow or every day moving forward for some analysis and live session trading. That's it for this stream. Thanks guys for tuning in. You guys see there's a chat box on the right side. If you guys want any questions or anything answered, just put in the chat box. Try to look at that whenever I do get a chance while I'm. But for now, that is it for the stream. And if you guys want to tune in again, just subscribe so you guys know when I go. I'll catch you guys in the Discord or tomorrow morning here. Peace.